Here's how to convert video to MP3 on Windows. I created an app called ConvertSave, and it is an offline file converter for Windows and Mac, and it lets you convert video, audio, and image files. You can check it out with the link in the description down below. So I've got a couple videos here, and I can actually click and just drag and drop these files into ConvertSave, and then select my format. So in this case, we're going to go to MP3. You can see there's a bunch of different formats we can convert to. We'll go to MP3 and hit convert, and it saves them right next to wherever those original files came from. So now we have some MP3s that are basically the audio extracted from those video files. So I created this with my brother. He's a software developer, and I was pretty much just sick of going to all these different random sketchy websites to upload files and then download them. So ConvertSave works completely offline, and it allows you to convert images and video and audio and like hundreds of different file types in between that. And so hopefully this helps you and helps you convert, video files to MP3. You can drag and drop however many you want in here and just hit that convert button, and it saves them right back to the same location. That's how you can convert video to MP3 on Windows.